In today's tutorial video, we're gonna go over the power skip. This is a great warm-up drill if you're doing a power day. If you're doing some jumps on the field or maybe some jumps in the gym, perform this warm-up drill to get all that power development happening and getting the tendons and muscles used to or prepared for what's gonna come during the workout. For the power skips, we wanna start out nice and easy, so we're thinking 50% jump height. So I'm taking a couple little steps. I want to plant down, bend that knee, drive up, think opposite knee nice and high, head to ceiling as I go. So starting here, a couple little steps, plant, jump up, land soft, couple little more steps, up, land soft. I would perform this action about 3 to 5 reps per side. Big thing here is I'm pushing the ground away. So as I step, I'm thinking pushing the ground away, getting up onto my toe, driving my opposite knee up, as that opposite knee will help drive me even higher. Second set through, think increase how much power you put into the ground. So now we're closer to like 70, 80% jump height. So a couple little steps, I'm here, I'm up, landing soft, up, landing soft. And once again, I'm doing that over a distance. So this power skip drill will help you warm up the tendons, warm up the muscles for your power day, whether you're on the field doing sprints, plyos, or if you're in the gym, same thing, doing some plyos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more exercises or tutorials that are going to help you become a better hockey player.